Do you have tomatoes and eggs at home? Make this for your dinner tonight. On a cutting board, I'll start by cutting 2 tomatoes into slices. Once that's done, let's remove all the core from the tomato. Now let's take this core and chop it into very small pieces. Let's transfer this to a bowl. In the same bowl, we'll now add some chopped chives. Let's crack 2 eggs. Season with salt, black pepper, a tablespoon of flour and mix well. Then set this mixture aside. In a frying pan, add a little butter or margarine. Next, add our tomato slices. In the middle, pour our egg mixture. Cover and wait for the bottom to cook and brown. Then just flip it over and let the other side brown as well. On top, grate some mozzarella cheese as much as you like. Finish with a bit more chives and folks, our dinner is ready. Now just enjoy it. I hope you like this.